So yeah, I got a brand new toy. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna talk about DJI because I just got a package from them. If you follow the channel for a while, you know that I'm using most of the times for my POV videos the DJI Action 2, which I'm using right now also to record this episode, and I just put it on top of my camera to have POV videos, but it's so good that I'm also using it for vlogging. And so when I purchased it less than 2 years ago, they proposed the DJI Care, and for just a small additional fee, it will give you the chance to ask for substitutions twice over the 2 years that it lasts. And so I just did it because when it was brand new, I was so clumsy that I dropped it, and then in the end I had my action cam dented. Not that it affected in any way its functioning, but still, it was a brand new camera and then I had it dented. And so I kept using it for a couple of years, and I was also thinking that this body type doesn't give you the chance to substitute the battery, and so after a couple of years of use, that would be also a good thing to have. So how does it work? Basically, you open your ticket and they charge you $19 for that. They will send you over a label for UPS that you will have to patch on top of your box, and then you just drop the box at any UPS collection point and they do everything for you. So the total time that it required, it was 1 full week by the time that I dropped the box at UPS and it went down to California. I have no idea if in Europe they have different collection points, but here in North America the cam has to go back to California, and then the moment they received that, they shipped one back to my good self, and I was expecting to receive a refurbished camera, but surprise, surprise, they sent over a whole new one. So a whole new package. So now I'm having a whole new DJI Osmo Action 2 to use for the next couple of years, and also a second set of spare mounts and accessories that are included in the box. So thank you very much DJI for that. I think that $19 it's a very good value for the money that you pay. And so guys, if you are thinking about purchasing anything from DJI, action cams, drones, whatever other product, I warmly recommend you also do the additional DJI Care because it is really, really worth it. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.